Hi everyone, just taking a guided tour on the Falls. We're visiting 3 waterfalls already, and this is our third and final one. It's so beautiful. Just look, there's a cave below. You can see the waterfalls. Just truly amazing. Turkey is such a beautiful country, especially when they go to Antalya. I recommend it very much. A friend of mine was here last year, him and his wife, and I could see how they were enjoying themselves, and they recommended it here. I'm glad that I took up their recommendation because it's lovely. Me and my wife had a wonderful time. We don't want to go back to the UK. Bye for now, folks.